get inside now. It is freezing out here.
There's my brave boy. You're such a good dog. Yes, you are.
My loyal friend. Thank you for keeping me company in the cold. Here you go, my little ones. Some warm milk for the cold day.
Wake up, little one. I have some warm tea for you. Drink it while it's hot. Such a good girl. I love your hat. It keeps you warm in this cold weather. There you go, my love. Let the warmth of the fire reach you.
Gently, like this. You're becoming a master baker.
Am I really?
That's enough flour for now, my dear. Now we start to knead it gently, like this. Feel the texture. Feel how warm the dough is. We will have fresh bread tonight. You look so cozy in your hat, little one. Are you warm enough? It is cold outside, my dear. Stay warm by the fire before you go.
The wind is strong today, Grandma. Should we go now?
my dear, eat up.
Thank you, Grandma. It smells wonderful. The puppies are enjoying the milk. It is warm by the fire today.
It is very cozy. Thank you, Grandmother.
Drink up, little ones. You need to grow big and strong. That's it. Get every drop.
Are they warm enough, Grandma?
They are fine, little one. The stove keeps everyone warm and safe.
The wind sounds angry tonight, Grandmother. Will the house hold?
Don't you worry, child. We are safe here.
Do not worry, little one. I will return soon.